change out my Waterdrop filters with me. I love this system so much. We've had it for an entire year. And while we have changed out this PP filter one time, as it's every 6 months, the other two filters we haven't changed out for a year. So I'm changing out all three of them. And they're very, very easy to swap out. You really do just twist out the old one and twist in the new one. A little bit of water drips on each one, but it's not too bad. The one thing I did notice is that the GC filter is an 8 to 12 month change. And while I'm sure it's built up from all three filters, our faucet has been going so slow. I didn't even realize how slow it was filling up the cups until I finished this process. But I got all three switched out, no problem. It's a little awkward, but it's pretty easy. It takes less than 3 minutes to do this. And then the key piece is you really have to run your water for a while. And it started so charcoaly. That's just the extra activated charcoal in the filters. They recommend that you run it for 5 minutes. I like to run it for 10 minutes just to get a full flush. And once I was at 10 minutes, the water was perfectly clear. The flow is super, super fast, which took a little adapting to, but my family loves this filtered water so much, and I cannot imagine not having it. It's extremely spoiling.